Good day, my dear friends, and welcome to my vintage kitchen. I'm making cookies. If you don't have an oven, don't stress out. If you don't know how to bake, don't stress out. It's not a reason you cannot have beautiful, healthy, homemade cookies. And without further ado, let's go. We have 2 trays. This recipe does not require baking and it's gluten-free, guys. Now, the next step. We very fast combine together Greek oats, shredded coconut, and walnuts. Chopped walnuts, mine been chopped so I didn't chop them, but if yours is whole walnuts you can chop them a little. We nicely combine them together, we put it aside. The next step we do very fast. We combine sugar. The recipe requires 3/4 of the cup. I put less because my cacao is sweetened it already. We put butter. We put milk. And we put cacao powder. Put it on a medium heat. Mix it. Wait until it's boiled. Now, while our chocolate mixture is nice and boiling, we put our dry ingredients, we mix it very fast. We put it on our baking sheet. You can make them as big as you want. It's your cookies, nobody can tell you what to do. Make sure the shape is nice, all the pieces are stuck together. That's it, guys, literally maybe 10 minutes. The first batch go into the fridge. While our first batch of cookies getting cold in the refrigerator, we're gonna work on the second one. This one as easy as it gets. Like, I don't know easier cookies. So we combine coconut, cornstarch, condensed milk, the biggest problem with this recipe, you might be finishing this can of milk. Do you love it, guys? I love it. We add a little bit of vanilla. I have the real one, but you can use extract, no problem. I'm adding dried cranberries. You can add dried cherries if you want, wherever you like, guys. And we mix it. Now what's left, we just take a little teaspoon and we put it our mixtures in little balls on a tray. We put it in the oven for about 12 minutes. That's it, guys. In a maximum 30 minutes, you're gonna have 2 different batches of cookies, so you can enjoy it, and they both gluten-free, guys. It's ready, guys. It's absolutely ready. Our no-bake cookies are nice and firm. Our baked cookies nicely golden. Only thing left, have a cup of tea, and let's try them. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Which one I should try first? Okay, I'll try this one. Very nice. Let's try the other option. I probably need a plate. Let's try the other option. This is good. This is very good. We made it 2 batches of cookies, maximum is 30 minutes. I don't know if you can find the easiest recipe. Very limited ingredients. I think it's a big win-win for the holidays. Everybody will love it, kids will love it, adults will love it, and it's easy to make even for inexperienced bakers. I hope you guys enjoy my video. I hope you subscribed, and I see you next time.